The Puerto Rican parakeet, or Psittacara maguey, stands as a symbol of the rich biodiversity and unique avifauna found on the island of Puerto Rico in the Caribbean. This small parrot, locally known as the Parakeet puertorriqueño, captivates with its vibrant green plumage, playful demeanor, and distinctive vocalizations. Historically, the Puerto Rican parakeet was a common sight throughout the island's forests, woodlands, and coastal areas. Flocks of these social birds could be seen flying overhead or foraging for food in the canopy, their cheerful calls echoing through the tropical landscape. However, like many endemic species of Puerto Rico, the parakeet's population has suffered a dramatic decline in recent decades. The primary threats facing the Puerto Rican parakeet are habitat loss and degradation, largely due to deforestation, urbanization, and agricultural expansion. As native forests are cleared for development or agriculture, the parakeet's natural habitat shrinks, forcing the birds into smaller and more fragmented areas where they are more vulnerable to predation and competition with introduced species. Additionally, the Puerto Rican parakeet has faced pressure from hunting and trapping, both for the pet trade and as a perceived agricultural pest. While legal protections are in place to prohibit the capture and trade of wild parakeets, enforcement remains a challenge, particularly in remote or rural areas. As a result of these threats, the Puerto Rican parakeet is now classified as critically endangered by the International Union for Conservation of Nature (IUCN). Efforts to conserve and protect this iconic species are underway, including habitat restoration projects, captive breeding and reintroduction programs, and public education and outreach initiatives aimed at raising awareness about the importance of preserving Puerto Rico's unique biodiversity. Despite the challenges it faces, there is hope for the Puerto Rican parakeet. Through collaborative efforts involving government agencies, conservation organizations, researchers, and local communities, it is possible to save this beloved bird from extinction and ensure a brighter future for Puerto Rico's natural heritage. By working together to address the threats facing the Puerto Rican parakeet, we can help secure its place in the island's forests and in the hearts of future generations.